Our topic for today is place value. And place value is a very simple topic, very easy and straightforward, as long as you are patient and you are calm. And what is place value? The place value of a number is the position of the number in a set of numbers. It may sound like very difficult words, but let me explain in simple terms. The place value of a number simply is just the position of of that number. Assuming you have a long array of numbers, you are looking for a position of a particular number. The place value of that number is just the position the number is standing. Let me take a vivid example of something that is not a number. Maybe that will help us to understand what place value is really. Consider this question. Friday is what day of the week? I'm sure an answer just came up in your mind right now. So let's confirm if your answer is correct. Let's list the days of the week one after the other, starting with the first day, which is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So Sunday is the first day, Monday is the second day, Tuesday is the third day, Wednesday is the fourth day, Thursday is the fifth day, Friday is the sixth day, Saturday is the seventh day. So is your guess correct? Yes, Friday is the sixth day of the week. As simple as that. So that is just what place value is. The position of, like the position of Friday in the days of the week. Let's take another very simple example. What is the position of the cube counting from the right? Let's start by first listing out the names of each of these shapes for those who may not know the names of the shapes. We have a cylinder as the first one, then you have the cube, triangle, you have the rectangle, and the circle. Okay, so counting from the right. Now, the challenge is, where is your right and where is your left? So let's see if your guess is correct. The cube is in what position? Fourth position. So how did we get fourth position? The circle is the first one, the rectangle is the second, triangle is the third, and the cube is fourth, and your cylinder is the fifth one. Don't forget we started from the left, not the right. It is easy to just start counting from the first one, which is the cylinder, but the question says count from the right, so we counted from the right. Now an example. Find the place value of 1 in 312. Place value of 1 in 312. Very simple. When you were in primary 2, or let's say in second, yes, second year in the primary school, you were taught 100 tens and units. I'm sure a lot of us still remember 100 tens and units. Don't forget that the last one is the units, followed by the tens, then followed by the 100. So that's the same way we are going to list out the positions of each of these numbers. You have the units, the tens, then the 100. So very simple. The place value of 1 is the position on top of the 1, and that's just what? Tens, correct. So the place value of 1 is what? Tens. That's as simple as place value is. Let's go on to another example. Find the place value of 4 in 1412. My first step every time I teach students in the class is to say, just write out those numbers. Just list them out, one after the other. Don't be in a hurry. Don't be in a haste. Then you start by writing out the positions from the right, from the far right. You have units, tens, hundreds, and what? Thousands. So very simple. What position is the 4? Place value of 4 will be what? 100. As simple as that. No hassles, no stress. So you can just do this. Let's look at these steps to follow. Write out the numbers. The numbers that you are, the listed numbers, just write them out. Then write out the positions of each of the numbers on top. The positions of the numbers, just write them on top. Then as your answer, write out the numbers position. That is your answer. Simple 3 steps to follow. So practice this and just go to our Facebook page. I'll post the solution to this practice there. Thank you.